So the Houston Chronicle charges a fee of $5.50 plus $70 per week to run an ad. The Bryan College Station Eagle charges $135 per week. For how many weeks will the total cost of the Houston Chronicle be less than the cost of the Bryan College Station Eagle? And we talked about the two things we're comparing is the Houston Chronicle and the Bryan College Station Eagle and how they're newspaper ads. Okay, you with me? Okay, so I've got the Houston Chronicle less than the Bryan College Station Eagle. So what I want you to do first is write this in words. Now I'm going to abbreviate the newspaper ad words, okay? But the Houston Chronicle, okay, less than. So the less than symbol, Bryan College Station Eagle. Okay? So that's how my inequality is going to be set up. Now I got to figure out the numbers that are going to go on both sides. So the Houston Chronicle charges a fee of $550 plus means what? Add 70 per week. Per means X. Okay, so that's my Houston Chronicle. Shh, please stop. Okay, so I've got all these numbers. This is going to go underneath the Houston Chronicle side. And I'm going to write it exactly how it looks. 550 plus 70x. Then I'm going to have my less than symbol. Now I got to go get the Bryan College Station Eagle. It says the Bryan College Station Eagle charges $135 per week. So 135 and per means what? X. So you should be writing this with me. So 135 X on that side. Okay. But what's it ask? It says, for how many weeks will the total cost of the Houston Chronicle be less than the Bryan College Station? So it wants to know how many weeks. What do I need to do now? Solve it. Solve for X. All right. Draw your line. Looking at this problem, what should I move first? The 70x to the 135x. Good. So I need to minus 70x on both sides. Then I've got 550 less than, what's 135 minus 70? 65x. So you're writing it. Now what? Divide by 65. X greater than what? 550 divided by 65 is what? Oh, my calculator. Where's y'all's calculator? What? 8.5.
Are they all going to be this one?
Maybe. Okay, so here we go. Can I have my answer like this? No. I got to have what first? X. Now, look at the alligator mouth. See how it's open towards the X? I got to open it towards the X when I write it. 8.5. All right, let's talk about this. This is newspaper ads, right? How many times does a newspaper come out per week? I don't even know. You guys don't even know, huh? How many times do you get your newspaper a week?
Twice.
5. Is it once a week?
Once a week.
I'm sticking with twice.
Okay, well, it's once a week. Okay.
I'm saying my neighbor.
All right, so newspaper ads, okay, your newspaper comes once a week. So would it make sense for the Houston Chronicle to be less than the Bryan College Station at 8.5 weeks?
No.
No.
So it'd be 8.
I don't know.
9 weeks.
Would you round up or would you round down?
Round up.
Why up?
Because
it's a 5.
Because it's a 0.5. It's going to take at least 8.5. Well, it's not. The newspaper's not going to come at the half mark of the week. Okay, so you got to wait the entire full week. So this would be how many weeks? 9 weeks. With me? Okay, the next one. Car rental company A charges $45 a day to rent a certain car. Car rental company B charges $30 a day plus 20 cents per mile to rent a similar car. For how many miles is the cost of car rental company B more than the cost of car rental company A? So what are the two things I'm comparing?
A and B.
A and B. So B more than A. Does everybody see that?
Yeah.
How many miles for the car rental B to be more than car rental company A. All right, so I'm going to write it exactly how it looks. B more than A. So write that in words first. I want to see that on your papers, the two things you're comparing with the symbol. Okay, now I'm going to go back through. Car rental company A charges $45 a day to rent a certain car. Car rental company B charges $30 a day plus 20 cents per mile. Okay, plus means add, per means X. Okay, so how is this going to look?
45.
Okay, 45 goes with what? A or B?
A.
A. So 45's got to go under the A. Okay, then the B is going to look like what?
30.
30
Plus.
plus 0.20 X. Make sure you get the 0.20 there. What does it ask for?
I mean,
How many miles? So what do I need to do?
Subtract.
I need to solve. Which one do I move?
The 30 or minus
The
30.
30. So minus 30. So I've got 0.20x greater than 15. Now what?
Divide by 0.20.
Divide by 0.20. So x is greater than what? 15 divided by 0.20 is 75. 75 what? Miles.
oh. I would.
That's okay. Okay?
Why would you go with car rental B if they charging 20 cents per mile?
I'd rather just pay 45.
On me,
Mm-hmm.
you're paying 75.
Well, because you only may need it for 5 miles. 5 miles would be cheaper than paying $45.
If I rent a car, if I know my car won't make that distance, if I'm gonna rent one, I'm going a hot minute away.
Sure. Okay,
If you're gonna drive 5 miles, then just call it
Here we go. Hannah has a savings account with a balance of $210 and deposits $15 per month. What's deposit mean?
Puts in
Puts in money. What's it called when you take money out?
Withdraw.
Withdraw. Withdraw means taking it out. Deposit means put money in, okay? So Hannah has a savings account with a balance of $210 and deposits $15 per month. Faith's savings account with a balance of $175 and deposits $20 per month. How many months will it take Hannah's account balance to be less than Faith's account balance? Okay, so that last sentence tells me everything I need to know. How many months will it take Hannah's to be less than Faith? So I've got Hannah less than Faith. I want to see that on your paper, this part right here. Write it, Leva. Okay? All right, now I got to go back through and get all my important words. So I'm talking Hannah right now. Has a savings account of a balance of $210, deposits $15 per month. So what's my key words?
210,
And what?
15 per.
Per means what?
X.
What about deposits? What does that mean?
Add.
Add, because I'm putting it in. Okay. Faith has a savings account with a balance of $175 and deposits $20 per month. What else? Per means X and deposit means add. All right, so this first one is Hannah. 210 plus 15x. So that goes under the H for Hannah. 210 plus 15x. Less than. Then I've got Faith. Faith is 175 plus 20x. Okay.
Subtract 15.
All right. Draw your line. Get all your x's to one side. Well, which one has the bigger x?
Subtract 15.
20. So this is going to be my x side. This is going to be my number side. Now what am I going to do, Jerry?
Subtract 15.
Subtract 15x to both sides.
5.
So 210, hold on. 210 less than 175. And then 20x minus 15 is
Plus 5.
5x. Now what?
Subtract 175.
Minus 175. Okay, I'm going to rewrite everything over here. So what's 210 minus 175?
35.
So 35, I'm rewriting it over here, less than 5x.
Divide.
Okay, divide by 5.
7.
X symbol, 35 divided by 5 is 7. Can I leave it like that? No, you got to rewrite it. So x, the alligator mouth is open to the x, so it needs to be open to the x here. 7. What's 7 talking about?
Months.
Months. So this is 7 months.
Okay, if you need somebody's bank account to be green, hey,
Okay, this
fill it
one.
out, dig a hole, put it in the hole.
The last one is a little bit different. Okay, so make sure you're paying attention because you'll have a few of these on your practice.
We're doing the practice.
Coach Jarrett is purchasing equipment for her basketball program. She has $900 to spend on practice jerseys and basketballs. Jersey costs $20 each and basketballs cost $38 each. Write an inequality. Shh. Write an inequality that describes the situation. Okay, so what's it asking me to do?
Go
Spend
Jerry.
money.
What's it asking me to do? That last sentence is telling me to do what?
Right.
Write the inequality. So do I need to solve at the end? No.
It's just
Am
right.
Am I comparing two different things?
No.
No.
They're technically-
Okay, so what's different about this one? First, I'm not solving the answer. Second, I'm not comparing different things.
You have a total.
Okay, so here we go. So it says, Coach Jarrett is purchasing his equipment for her basketball program. She has $900. That's my total, right? Jerseys cost $20 each, and basketballs cost $38 each. Why do I have two eaches?
They're separate.
Zandon, are you paying attention? Okay, I've got two different eaches. Are both of these eaches talking about the same thing?
No.
No, one's talking what?
Jerseys.
And the other one's talking basketballs. So if they're two different things, are they going to have the same variable?
No.
No. Two different things, two different variables. So one needs to be X, one needs to be Y. And, what's and mean? Add. And means plus. Okay? Alright, so I've got 20x plus 38y and then 900 over there. I got to figure out what symbol I'm going to use.
Greater than or equal to? Less than or?
Okay, now I got to decide which side do I want to be bigger. Do I want this to be bigger?
No.
Or do I want the 900 to be bigger?
900.
We want 900 to be bigger, right? Because I can't spend over 900. So this is going to be, the alligator mouth is going to be open to the 900 because I want that to be bigger. Could I spend all 900? Yes, so it needs to equal to.
Do you want to?
Am I solving?
No.
No. All I want to do is write the inequality.
Yeah.
Questions?
No.
Okay.
You gotta practice.
Yes.